Good morning, guys. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. I'm gonna get started. I'm eating right now, but I'm definitely gonna get started. Let me see if you can see a little bit what my hair looks like. So literally, that looks super evil. Anyways, yes, it's pretty damaged, but that's totally okay. I am going to put a lot of moisturizer on it. I did put some of the bonding oil from Olaplex, which I'm not gonna put a lot of it in. I know I did put a couple of drops on it, but I know I need to put more. And of course, what's the whole point of doing this side? I have to do this today, so this part is gonna get done today. And that's why I'm starting super early, so that way I could also get my roots done today as well. So that is the goal, and hopefully also the toner. And then I have to cut my hair too on top of that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to do one thing at a time, but definitely I will keep you guys updated. So I'm basically gonna do the same thing that I did from on this top side here, what I did here in the bottom, and I'm just going to leave it, do 1/2 1 hour, 1/2 1 hour or something. I think that's what I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Regardless, that's what I'm gonna do. Use the same Olaplex number 2. I'm just not gonna film the whole thing because that was a whole lot of work. Well, it wasn't a whole lot of work, it's just a whole lot of film that I needed to go through. Well, I felt film. Anyways, it's basically what I'm gonna do, the same thing, same strokes, but from there I'm just gonna start filming when I tone it, when I start doing the roots, so I'll film it from there. But right now I'm just gonna be doing everything from not the roots, and that's basically it. Okay. So this is where I'm at right now. I need to start taking this out too, so I'm just kind of I don't know what to do. I'm missing a little bit of product, maybe because I have one more scoop left, and I'm thinking instead of doing just putting it in one by one, I might just do a bleach bath, because it's all I need is the 20 developer plus the roots, and it's not going to be enough for the roots. So I don't know what to do. I'm still deciding. But yeah, I left it out, and of course I still need to do that last bit left. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this. So I'm actually gonna be doing the bleach bath. The reason why it's because I don't have enough bleach, and I'm just ready to do the roots and also the ends. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna take all this off, do the same for this. I'm gonna leave it there, and then when I have to go, I'm just go all together, make the blue. I already have the stuff because I have 1 scoop left of lightener, and the developer I have a good amount, and the shampoo, and I just need to lather it in, leave it in at least for 45 minutes, hopefully 45 minutes to 20 minutes. It depends on how quickly this lifts, because I need to get the roots. And at least it'll get to the orangey parts, because I know there's gonna be orangey parts. So I'm just gonna and these have a good 2 more minutes left, these 2 up here. So as soon as that's done, at least I could put in that Olaplex number 2, and then take this off, and then hopefully be done with this, because I'm exhausted. But it's looking good so far. But the bleach bath will just help me get it all over here in the back, and I feel like it'll just be a lot more effective to reach on those hard places, so might as well. Okay. I'm trying to press the button. Okay, so wash the rest of this hair off, and yeah, it's orange with a lot of my dark hair swatting. I'm sorry, it's just I'm exhausted. So I literally rushed it, so I can't even imagine what the side looks like. So I'm gonna wait until like 11:15 to check it out, but that is why, mainly because I know that there was orange spotting on the roots, so I'm hoping that there's enough. Well, there should be, because it's a bleach bath, so it should be very effective for at least the top side. So what I'm gonna do is scrub the first, like the top side, just in case, and then go in like by section on the back, and be a little bit more gentle on the back because it's already pretty good. It's just some areas that it's needing, but I know I'm better. I'm needing another Red Bull, so okay. Hey, hi. I look like freaking Poppy's dad, King Poppy, but holy hell. Anyways, what I'm doing right now is actually I'm gonna start making the bleach bath, so that way I could just scrub it all into my hair with the roots, because I literally don't have enough to do like little bits, so I'm just gonna do it all over, and then that should be it because my hair all's done. It should be perfect enough for the roots, because literally it'll lighten up everything evenly, hopefully. Actually, no, I'll record this. So I have to work very quickly. So I have to do how much left I have. Okay. I need the spoon thing, so I'll bring it back. So also what I'm going to do is only work this side first and then the back side, because the back side is pretty good. It's just the top that's pretty corny. Okay. Oh my god. Freaking nervous. Lord. Let me work. These weird guys that eat those. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna start stirring. I'm gonna go over here and get to work, okay? So just lathering it in. I'm really nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it in for a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna start at the bottom now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm fucking nervous right now. Jeez. Okay. Oh my god, I have like a good amount left. I'm just gonna bring it over here so I could see what's going on. Okay. There's the orangey parts there. I gotta go, so. Mix more. Oh, yeah. Which is like back here. Oh, I know I'm pouring it in, but I have to. Oh, I'm really fucking nervous because I feel like I'm missing parts. 1, 2, oh my god. it's pretty good. Gonna get this arm area too. Oh my god. And this, I can use like whatever I have on ends here. Make sure it was everything so nicely. And then I'm gonna let it incubate as much as possible. God. And I think I should let it do its thing for maybe like 45 minutes or so, because I really need the ends to like tickle the, not the ends, but I need the like scalp to lift because my hair is like super black. So this that I have left, oh my god. Okay. I think I need to add more water. Just a little bit more water. Okay, there we go. I'm like so, oh my god, this is like the most that my anxiety has gone up in a while, so probably shouldn't have had that Red Bull, and that's okay. Next I'm pouring it on me because, okay, because I really need to ensure that every part of my scalp has that bleach, because I swear I'm gonna lose it if I don't eat. Making sure that every end is really massaged in there. And I know you're only seeing the top. Okay. So I'm gonna let it incubate for at least, I don't know. I feel like the ends should get at least 20 minutes. 20 minutes and the scalp should get like an hour, or like 45 minutes. Oh my god. I'm really, really scared. Good thing or bad thing. So scared, but let's see. And hope for nothing but the best. Actually, no. I'm going to I'm gonna be super positive right now because I'm super nervous. I'm really nervous. Really nervous. Let's see, yeah, everything that incubated really well. Okay. I don't know how many times I said that, but I am motherfucking scared. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Everything's gonna come out fine. You're okay. Whew, okay. So we'll check back with you guys in a bit. Oh my god. Okay. So
what do you want to call it?
Okay, so instead of leaving my ends for like 45 minutes, I'm just gonna leave the scalp for 45 minutes, and then the ends I'll wash it off. So I have two timers going off. One is 20 minutes and the other one is 45 minutes. So we're just gonna have to see, and hopefully that it does. I was hoping that there would be a little bit of sun going, so that way I could at least have something to like help with this. But I'm gonna turn off the heat. That's what I'm gonna do. Just let it steam up here. Okay. So I really didn't do much to my hair, which I'm really surprised. Oh my god. Just a little disappointed. It's okay. Didn't feel like it would. It's just, I might as well have tried with the last bit I've had, because literally I feel like the ends looked it more, but it's not as orange. But then again, I really have to check until I really wash this off. So the Bleach is coming in on Thursday, so I'd have to wait until like Thursday to kind of finish up what we started. So, because there's a lot of orange spots still. You can see that. And just literally what I'm gonna do Thursday is just little bits of the warm pieces and the roots, and then tone. Yeah. Just a quick update. I'm feeling super crappy right now, but I have some parts there, but hold on. Thankfully I did lift up my roots and it's yellow. There's some parts that are yellow. Well, I'm looking through from the camera and it's yeah, pretty highlighter yellow. It needs to lighten up a little bit more. And right now I'm just letting it wet, you know, keeping it wet and stuff, just letting it be its own thing. I'm not gonna hair dry it because like I noticed that it's like super dry, but I did put in that smoother from Olaplex and the oil, so I'm leaving it alone. I do not have any more lightener regardless, so I'm just gonna wait until Thursday. I have nothing to do this week, so I am a-okay. I'm not going out anywhere, so, and there's no need for me to go out anyways, but it did lighten up my roots, so that did do something. It's just not light enough, but it's because I didn't have enough lightener anyway, so I know that was the case. Regardless, on Thursday I'm just gonna touch up the areas that are like really dark, like that one, and like, you know, some orange spots. I'm just gonna like touch it, not even gonna like saturate it anymore. It's done pretty well so far. I mean, obviously my hair is still intact, so pretty awesome. And of course, just lighten up the roots a little bit more, and I am gonna touch up my hair. And I decided I'm gonna, instead of doing the 8N that I was gonna do, because that's a neutral, so it's gonna leave my hair like that. From what I saw, that lady, I'm gonna put the description of what I followed plus Brad Mondo's videos. Like, I'm gonna try to see which ones I followed more, because it was like a mix of a bunch of them. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and the ash tone will be a lot better for my hair, especially the look that I'm trying to go for. So yeah, and I can't wait to tone it, honestly. But I'm not gonna tone it until everything is all said and done. So, oh, and I totally forgot to mention, so like I started at like 8 in the morning, maybe close to 9, and I ended somewhere at like 1, because like by like 1 something I was already doing my showering. So yeah.